today's about, right? Let's go with the momentum that John Tovar's family who's out here, and Ross Dickman have built over these last few years. And I know franchisees have been a part of that partnership, hosting their own events. Let's keep that moving. Not only are we gonna have a beautiful day for golf, some great music, a great event later, but keep in mind what we're really here for, right? There'll be lots of opportunities for donations. We've got a great silent auction. We've got some great vendors and distinguished guests that have donated some awesome gifts. We thank them for their partnership. This certainly would not be possible without all of them and the participation. But let's keep in mind, we are making a difference in individual lives. Somebody exiting the military and coming back and having the opportunity to either come work at your business or create an opportunity for them to be able to step back into civilian life and have some awesome, wonderful opportunities here in this great country we live in.
This great network, this great company coming together for something bigger than ourselves.
With that, thank you ServiceMaster, thank you JT, thanks John Novus, thanks everybody.
The world needs what we bring to the table. The world needs what you bring to the table. In this room is a wealth of knowledge. Take advantage of it. Build those networks, but step up and lead. Make a difference. This nation needs you to fight for it.
You know, John Wayne had a quote that said, "Courage is being scared to death, but saddling up anyway." And that's what these men and women do every day.
250 putter package. Got 20759 686. I'm on a 5. Anybody want to bid on a 5 on a $500? Anybody want it on a 5 on a 5 on a 1700?